Today's a different kind of day in my life. I'm gonna try this van and use it for Amazon Flex delivery. They have different types of deliveries that you can do, like groceries and packages. I'm gonna try and do the grocery delivery. So I'm on my way to the warehouse now, and I'm 13 minutes away. So pretty good. So let's see what's gonna happen. But the only complicated getting offer is that you have to be fast when grabbing an offer. It took me like 3 hours to get this one offer. And then I have been checking since last night. So here's my cart. Look at that. I have 37 items to deliver for 2 hours. I should have brought my trolley, but it's not that good. Good luck to me. And I have to organize it here so that I won't give wrong items. We just made our first delivery drop off. I have 36 more to deliver. 36 more. But overall, I like it. I like doing deliveries, even DoorDash or Uber Eats. I like this kind of gig because I can pick up shifts whenever I want to work and my own time to do it. It's flexible. I like that I am able to walk outside when I do this kind of gig and not just sit or just be inside the van always. So I'm gonna do this. I'm done with deliveries and heading back to Huntington Beach because I want to shower first. And I haven't eaten anything since morning. I'm also going to grab some food. The only thing I don't like with Amazon Flex, it's very difficult to get an offer. You can tap your phone all day, but lucky if you get at least one offer. Before I start working inside the van, I have to take all my things outside so I can work more easily. Today is the first day I'll start building the foundation for my bed, but I need to insulate the lower part of the van's walls first and only the back portion for now, since I only plan to build the back section at the moment. I just want to remind everyone that I'm not an expert, but I'm confident that I can turn this van into a tiny home on wheels. I still have a lot to learn and many techniques to discover, but I truly believe that I can build a simple home on wheels, plain and simple. If you have any questions about the build, I'll answer based on what I know and from my own experience. I'm also open to your opinions and suggestions. I'd love to learn from all of you too. This is so far what I accomplished today. So as you see, I only did this portion in the back. Also this side. Tomorrow I'm gonna continue upper part because I don't have time anymore because it's already dark. I'm going to use 2 inches socket hole screw. Don't forget to always glue your wood before screw it in. I come up with an idea. I'm going to secure it first and place the wood here so I can screw everything because there's no one else to hold it for me. It's just me. So I have to do this. I am so freaking happy now. I was able to do this. One more wood to put across. Oh my God, Lord, thank you.